Hello, and welcome to day 5, Friday, June 4th. It is a Friday. That means it's an async day. We will not meet on Zoom as a class. However, during office hours, I will begin speaking tests. So I will see Grace at 10, Gannett at 10:20, Darwin at 10:40, and Maria at 11. So please show up for your speaking test. If you do have questions, um, just text me. If you have questions about something, you can text me and I can schedule a time to meet with you after I finish the speaking tests. Remember, our exams start next week. So let's see what you have to do for your async assignments. You have two async assignments. The first one is to do your first draft of your deliverable, so of your One World essay. So you're going to talk about your POV, your claim, and instead of 5 to 6 pieces, you can do 4 pieces of evidence that support your claim. So you will record this in Flipgrid. Your next activity is a Spark article, your first Spark article for the month, verbal communication. Okay, you're just going to read and make sure you get 75% at least. And that's it for today. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.